3 industries to buy stocks in for 2024. As we peer into the future, we witness the rise of transformative trends and the emergence of sectors set to soar. Today we have an electrifying topic that every investor yearns to explore. Get ready to harness the potential of these industries as we uncover the opportunities that lie ahead. Renewable energy. Picture a world where sustainability takes center stage, where renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydropower are the very core of our energy needs. This industry stands at the forefront of combating climate change and embracing a greener future. Governments worldwide are increasingly investing in renewable energy infrastructure and implementing policies that favor clean energy adoption. As a result, companies operating in this space are positioned for remarkable growth. Investing in renewable energy stocks not only offers potential financial rewards but also aligns with our responsibility to preserve the planet for future generations. In addition, technological advancements and economies of scale are driving down costs, making renewable energy more competitive with traditional fossil fuel-based energy sources. Investing in renewable energy stocks in 2024 presents a compelling opportunity. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy solutions, the renewable energy sector is poised for significant expansion. Whether it's solar, wind, hydro, or other clean energy sources, investing in companies involved in the development, manufacturing, and deployment of renewable energy technologies can provide both financial returns and a chance to contribute to a more sustainable future. Artificial intelligence and technology. Brace yourselves for the second industry that will undoubtedly boom in 2024: artificial intelligence and technology. Imagine a realm where machines learn, analyze, and innovate alongside us. AI has transcended mere buzzwords to become an integral force driving advancements across various sectors. From healthcare to finance, transportation to manufacturing, AI is reshaping industries, revolutionizing business operations, and unlocking unprecedented opportunities. As businesses increasingly embrace data-driven decision-making and automation, the demand for AI technologies skyrockets. By investing in companies at the forefront of AI development and technology, you position yourself at the epicenter of a transformative wave that will redefine our world.